what's going on, everyone, and good evening. It is about 1 o'clock in the morning. Uh, Remember, this is a fully independent channel. I rely on subscribers and viewers like you to subscribe and like and share so I can do these videos of driving videos, camping, fishing, whatever. I mean, all kinds of videos. Camp and cooking too, as well. There's a light shining right across the screen, and it's right there. So be aware. I have a cat. His name's Hercules. He should be coming back to the back here pretty soon. And we also have a new kitten, Zooma. You'll see her in the videos later on. I haven't been doing any videos because I haven't had. Well, I've been having the time. I just don't have the money and the funds to do so. Also, taking the time to just adjust to my mother passing away on February 1st. Kind of hard. It's been hard on me, and it's quite an adjustment. There goes Hercules again. So, yeah, we'll be doing videos on going camping and fishing and cooking, and also traveling, because traveling is just the number one thing. Because I'll be doing over the road vlogs, and camping vlogs and cooking vlogs all in one. I do have places in mind to go camping and then off-roading as well, since this is off-road capable. So, well, it's a four-wheel drive and mostly stock. I do have a little bit of extra power in here, so yeah. He's using the cat litter box. Hold on. He'll be coming up in the front here pretty soon. Or in the back. Sorry, the back. Reason why I'm not showing you the back is because it's really a screwed up, fucked up mess. And I will be cleaning the truck here pretty soon. And I'm laying in bed. That's a futon. And I'm going to be doing a big build here pretty soon, and it's going to be a lot nicer than it is right now. I'm going to have a full kitchen on one side, and then the futon on the other. It's going to be fully self-contained, because it's also going to have a refrigerator where I'm like just to the right of me on the driver's side, and then toilet on the bottom. So I was thinking about getting a hard side camper and Hercules. It's still a toss up. And if you hear what sounds like a slug trying to drink water, slurping water, that's Zooma cleaning herself. So she just woke up. So yeah, it's something different. And hold on a second, maybe I can get a little bit of what she looks like. There's Zooma. Zooma, come here. Hey, What are you doing? You got snots. Oh, his tongue's sticking out. Zooma. Let me go blow her snots out. So that is Zooma. Zooma. Zoom zoom. Zooma. Hi. So that's Zooma. Hercules will be up in the back here pretty soon. He's probably laying up on the dash. I kind of scared him because I had to go pee, but so yeah, been doing this for a while, and before Mom passed away, it was about 1 or 2 weeks before, we were talking about a new channel for me to do, just solely based on off-roading, camping, fishing, and cooking, and traveling as well. Doing these videos on the road. And what I'm going to do is tell you guys a lot of stories that my family did while we were traveling through California and Oregon, to Colorado when I was a kid, to going to Morro Bay, Pismo Beach, Klamath Falls, Oregon, Medford, Oregon, Sierra City, and all the way from there, and actually living in the desert of Ridgecrest. So, and I got to drive on my grandpa's lap when I was 2 or 3 years old, and told me to keep it in between the lines, and I did. And just good stories. And decided to do that. So I started writing down a lot of stuff that my family did, including my sister. So yeah, it's I'm very well traveled. I'm still traveling whenever I can. Just right now, it's kind of hard because we don't have the money for gas. So this thing stays here. My wife goes to work on Mondays and Thursdays, and she goes on the computer and takes the chill pill and works on her laptop from county. So yeah, and I take care of 2 dogs and 2 cats now. So go figure. Just know, I hope my sister's okay, but I haven't talked to her in a while since mom died. Mom died. So yeah, this is the way it's been going. Trying to get things done. So yeah, and this is, remember you guys, this is, my channel is solely dependent on you guys, viewers, subscribers. This is an independent channel, so yeah, quite different. And I'm going to be doing another YouTube channel, and I'll let you guys know when that's going to be up. I'm going to be doing some shorts, and some that are going to be 14 minutes long. It's going to have episodes between just traveling short, traveling long. So short distance to long distance. So, all right, guys. Hopefully, you guys can help me out. Have a good one.